Hotel, Daryl speaking.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. Just,
Good.
Yes, I would like to have a room, please.
I'm sorry?
Yes, I would like to have a room, please.
A room for when?
Tonight.
Yeah, what name?
One night.
Yeah. What name?
Franco Colombo.
What time will you be in?
In approximately 1 hour.
Just a double room?
Yes.
How much is that?
125?
Good.
And you'll be in an hour?
Yes.
Smoking, non-smoking?
Yes.
Smoking?
Yes.
And your address?
Okay,
Why?
Sorry? Hello?
172 Canning Glen Drive.
172?
Yes.
Yeah. What drive?
Boris.
Yeah, and what suburb?
Miami.
You're having me on.
Huh?
How can you, if you're in Miami, how come you're going to be here in an hour?
Australia.
Sorry?
Miami.
Australia.
See you later.
What's the matter?
Dal.
What's the matter?
Sorry?
What's the matter?
You're having me on.
No.
No, it is not true.
Where are you? You're in Miami.
Yes.
And you want a room in an hour's time. Cut it out, mate.
No, it is not true.
No, I know what I heard.
Try somewhere else.
Let's do it. I figure we've got around 5 or 6 minutes until...
Hello. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Yes, I would like to have a room, please.
Yep.
Tonight.
Tonight?
One night.
And what was the name?
Yes.
Franco Colombo.
Yep. Yeah?
Go on. What do we got to do?
Nothing. You've just given me your name. Where are you
Why not?
Why not what?
Huh?
You've given me your name.
What's going on?
Nothing's going on. You want a room for tonight?
Yes.
Yeah?
Absolutely, yeah.
Alright, what's your contact number?
5.
3.
5.
8.
7. 5. 7.
Go on.
What time are you coming in?
In approximately 1 hour.
What's the point of waiting?
You tell me.
Don't know.
Oh, it's fine. See you in an hour.
What is it?
What?
Excuse me, I have a few more questions if you don't mind.
Yeah, what?
The two guys with one woman.
I would like that.
Why don't you fuck off?
Fuck you. Fucking bullshit.
Guy's a fucking asshole.